Hello, guys. I just want to enjoy my lemongrass tea this morning. Okay, I want to start my day with this lemongrass tea. Okay, some people might be thinking whether I'm sick or not. I am not sick. I am healed and hearty. Okay, they say prevention is better than cure. Okay, so you don't need to be sick before you can be taking all these herbs. Herbs are just like food. Herbs are like food. They are just like your normal daily food. Okay, so you eat to sustain your life. That's the reason why we eat. Abi, we eat to sustain the life. That is, we eat in order to live. Okay, that's the purpose of eating. Otherwise, people will not be eating. So we eat to live. All right. So same thing as herbs. So take herbs, whether you are sick or not. Take herbs. I always advise people it is good for you to prevent